My name is Charles Tran, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder.
In this video, I'm diving into the crucial planning stage of building my own DIY house. From setting a realistic budget to designing the perfect floor plan, this phase is the foundation for the entire project. I'll walk you through avoiding costly mistakes, deciding which projects I'll tackle myself and which ones I'll hire a professional for, finding ways to save money, and making sure all my work meets building codes and permit requirements. Let's dive into these crucial DIY planning steps to ensure everything goes smoothly, saving both time and money along the way. First, let's talk about mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes DIY builders make is jumping in without a clear plan. If I rush into construction without checking local building codes, permits, and zoning laws, I could face fines or even have to tear down parts of my project. Another common pitfall is underestimating costs. Unexpected expenses can quickly add up if I don't budget properly. Lastly, tackling complex tasks without the right skills can result in unsafe structures, costly redos, or even serious accidents. Now, let's break down what projects I'll take on myself and when I'll hire a professional. Some tasks like painting, flooring, and window installation are perfect for DIY as long as I have the time and patience. But for critical parts of the house, like the foundation, framing, electrical work, and plumbing, hiring a professional is usually the smarter choice. These areas require specialized expertise, and mistakes can be dangerous or expensive. Knowing my limitations will help me avoid costly errors and ensure the house is safe and solid. So, how do I save money while building? The key is knowing when to DIY and when it's worth investing in a pro. Tasks like insulation, interior finishes, and cabinetry can save me money if I do them myself. I'll also shop around for contractor quotes, buy materials in bulk, and take advantage of discounts on secondhand or surplus materials. Balancing DIY efforts with professional work will help me maximize savings without sacrificing quality. Here's a breakdown of what I spent and how much I saved by going DIY. In my area, the average cost of a 2-story house with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms is around $406,700. However, I built mine for just $75,000, saving over 6 times the cost. Finally, building codes and permits matter. Before I begin construction, I'll make sure I have all necessary approvals. Each area has specific regulations for safety and structural integrity, and skipping permits can lead to legal problems or costly fixes later on. It's always better to check with local authorities before starting to avoid delays or setbacks. Every successful project begins with careful planning, and by following these steps, I'm setting myself up for long-term success. With the right foundation, my DIY dream home will stand the test of time. In the next video, I'm diving into one of the most crucial steps of the entire process, the foundation. I'll walk you through everything from soil preparation to pouring the perfect slab. Click to the next video, and let's get started on setting the strong base my home needs. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.